we're going to be making some Asun. You've never seen Asun made in a microwave. I'll show you today. So I'm going to rinse my meat now. So once I'm done mixing, I'm just gonna let it sit and rest for a while. Something is marinating. So this is after 15 minutes and our goat meat has been marinating. All we have to do right now is to just transfer it to the LG Neochef Microwave and let it perform its magic. So let's go! Yay! Transfer. Cover this for about 5 minutes. If you love what you just watched and also think you can do it too, join the LG Insider community for a chance to review one of the LG Neochef Microwave. Follow the link in my bio and join.